This brand new foam factory has a 40,000 square meters production hall. Ursun has provided a one-stop solution for this mega foam factory, including all equipment, factory pre-design and installation services. Foaming control system equipped with exclusive, fast and easy digital wheel panel, digital hand wheel and control computer. Both can adjust the flow of metering pump synchronously. Each metering pump is equipped with a sensor that displays the calculated flow kilogram per minute on the panel. Water, TDI and methylene dichloride metering pumps equipped with German cracked digital flow meters. The closed-loop control system automatically monitor and adjust flow. The remote monitoring system on the console displays liquid level of the tank, material temperature and pipeline pressure. German cracked gear pump and Siemens AC motor for polyol metering. Thanks to the high-precision sensors on each metering pump, the control system can calculate and display real-time flow data for each pump in kilogram per minute. The intelligent Siemens PLC automatic control flow rate of water and TDI by digital flowmeter and closed-loop control system. The first test after installation, immediately successfully put into production, which is Ursun quality and service standards. During the trial production, 12 block of foam with a width of 2.2 meters, a length of 50 meters and a height of 1.35 meters were produced. In 2 hours of continuous foaming production, non-stop produce 3 different density of foam. Total 600 meters. Subscribe to our channel for more videos.